Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer Preset for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open XIAOMI earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it here, so you will see the same menu. Now you need to scroll down and go to audio effects, then click at the audio balance, and right here you need to click at the selected Equalizer preset. Right here at the bottom we have a custom preset, so tap on it also. And now you can make something good for you, so just move these sliders and check it what will be good for you. Let's say that's okay for me, and now you can go back, because as you can see it's saved, because if we return, here we have it. Also if I swap to another preset and then I return to a custom one, we still have it. And if you don't like what you made, you can just reset it by click at this trash icon near to the equalizer. Click on it and then OK. And we have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.